to Tokyo. It is Friday the 25th today of August and I'm gonna take a night flight, so we're gonna arrive. So we're gonna arrive tomorrow morning at 5 a.m. Got our boarding pass and we're gonna get in now. I'm so excited. So we just went past security and we're gonna get McDonald's. 8 and 6 p.m. Now it's 10, but I'm so hungry. We have the gate already, but still have 1 hour and 30 minutes. But we're going to Tokyo. So we're going to Tokyo for 5 days, 4 nights. The 2 flights are going to be night flights, so we save up on hotel. And yeah, I'm so excited. I have been to Tokyo before. It was back in 2014, I think, but I don't remember much of it. Like, it was more of a family trip. I'm really excited to do my own.
Oh, it's spicy.
The flight was 4 hours. I think I managed to sleep overall on and off maybe 30 minutes. But we made it. I'm not that tired for now. So we arrived at the hotel. I'm gonna do a home tour later, but we just left our luggages. It's currently very early, 8:20. So we're just gonna walk around Shinjuku, which is where we are staying. And then we're gonna try to come back for 12 to check in early. You have to pay an extra 3,000 for 3 hours early check-in. So we can like rest a bit and then go back out. Are you
So,
hungry
yeah.
now?
Ultra smooth drink.
Yeah, let's find a cafe or something.
Hey, hi everyone.
Hi. We just stopped at a mini stop and I got a matcha latte. Hopefully it's good. I think everything is still closed, so just gonna walk around with that first. Wait. Ta-da! It's pretty good. There's so many things.
手信。
你呢啲之後買好啲。One piece. Oh my god.
Oh my. Stop.
That's really cool. That's really
expensive.
250蚊，高達都有。That's really cute. Yeah, I don't want to go in. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so cute. This place is really nice. It's a random one, but the people are really nice, it seems. Smells so strong.
Not raw.
Open. It's currently 1:30 and we just checked in the hotel. I showered already and I'm so tired. We went for ramen and so we ordered on the machine, right? And I asked the waiter if they had any sesame in it because I'm allergic to it. So he got back to me and was like, oh, in the soup there is some sesame oil, so you can get this ramen, another one that doesn't have any soup. So yeah, I got that one and then I ate it and it started itching after like 3 bites maybe, so I immediately took medication, but I think there was a little bit of sesame oil in it, so I'm not feeling so well. I didn't eat a lot, so that was okay. Yeah, now it's like going away. I kind of felt like that I need to eat to make it pass. And so then we went to Family Mart to buy a onigiri. So I just sat there on the road and eating my little onigiri. And people were all looking at me. That was kind of funny, but I wasn't feeling well. So yeah, we just walked around a little bit and then it started pouring rain. So we took the taxi to the hotel and checked in early. So yeah, I think now we're just gonna rest for a bit and then we're gonna head to Shibuya tonight, like later in the afternoon. But for now, I'm gonna rest for a bit. It's currently 3:10. We slept, like we napped for about 1 hour. I'm dead right now, but it's okay. I got ready and we're gonna head out. I got changed. I'm wearing this little outfit right here. I think it's not raining anymore, so that's good. And we're gonna head to Shibuya. I'm so tired. Worse than before, but it's okay. I got another onigiri because I'm so hungry right now. The only thing I ate was a thing like that before, so I'm just gonna eat that. And we're walking towards Shinjuku station. We want to get like the 72-hour transportation ticket, so we'll see like if we can get that there. But the sky cleared out. It's really nice. It's not too hot because there's some wind, but it's a really nice day.
It is a nice day.
It is a nice day, yeah. Yeah, that's kind of cute. We've literally been in the station for like a very long time. We're getting lost. It's very hot.
Pick up my phone, I shouldn't check again, but here I go, jealous of all my friends, they've got it figured out, I don't. Stuck on a loop, getting all in my head, so much to do, I can't count the endless hours I've spent on failure prone. Time's always been an enemy, scaring me half to death. I fell asleep at 17 and
We are walking from Ebisu to Shibuya now. We went to the Capital store. It was really cool. I found like a pair of pants that I really like, but it's kind of out of my budget, to be honest.
Expensive.
Yeah, it's really expensive. But now let's see in Shibuya if I can find anything. Hopefully I can find some cute stuff. Oh, they're making kimonos here. Oh, that's so cool.
Closing my eyes, try to deny I'm here. How is my life? Everything I fear, running this maze with no way out. No, has it all been a lie? Am I deluding myself? Put it all on the line, or put it all on the shelf.
We just stopped at a sushi place. So hungry. We're just gonna eat a little bit and then eat a bit more later. Just finished having sushi. It feels really good to have some food in my stomach right now. And it's so dark outside.
But you need to buy something.
I want to buy something.
I want you to
I want
buy
to go
something.
to 109 Shibuya, the building.
Yeah, we're
But we headed to Shibuya now. Now it's like the temperature is perfect, right?
Be going out every night under the lights and trying out brand new drinks with brand new faces. But I'm tired of staying up late. I can't overstate the beauty of settling down like the one you know. Sometimes all I wanna do is be at home next to you. What do you say if we stay? We could be doing. We could just sit here on the side saying nothing. You could just hold my hand, 'cause I've never been more comfortable than in your arms, vulnerable or nothing.
We did about 8 stores, I think, clothing store. I managed to find some things. Going back down.
Thought I'd scare you off by being a homebody, arguing my body, but the joke's on me, 'cause you live solitude more than me. And all I gaze in your eyes every night under the kitchen lights. It's all the mundane things we do together that give me wings. Sometimes all I wanna do is be at home next to you. What do you say if we stay? We could be doing.
We're on our way back to the hotel. We're so tired. We walked a lot today, but we're back in Shinjuku. Tokyo by night is so nice. So many people, so crowded, but so cool. Hey guys, we just got back to the hotel and I showered. As you can see, I'm so exhausted, like I can feel it in my feet. We arrived in Tokyo at 5 in the morning, so 4 a.m. Hong Kong time. Today we walked over 26,000 steps, which is a lot considering how much sleep we got. It's currently 10:20. We're gonna eat a little something. I got my third onigiri from Family Mart, so we're quickly gonna eat that, go to bed early because tomorrow is gonna be a super busy day. I booked the team lab and also the Shibuya Sky. I'm so excited. The weather keeps changing a lot, so hopefully we can see the sunset. I'm so grateful and so happy and excited that I'm in Tokyo right now, so I'm really looking forward to discovering everything in the city. Yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog, first day in Tokyo. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe. That would mean the world to me, and I guess I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!
Well, she's got her hair up top in a messy bun.